Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, nice. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Hello all, and welcome back to the stream. We are again starting with the Waters app. I have received all the feedbacks that I wanted, and I have clarified the way what we need to build this time. So I have created some UIs out of this using, of course, AI, but this is the main feature. There are some features that I really want to implement. So this is one feature that I really want to implement. What is arriving today? Because of this idea, I literally started working on this application. So this is what I want to build on priority. Okay. What else? There is one big bug that the status is being shown wrong. And one more thing that I want to build. You can see there is a logo for this particular site, this socks craving. So I have bought these socks. I wish I could show you those socks. I wear socks in my home. Weird thing, but yeah, I do. So see, for this now we can easily use AI very creatively. So this is what I'm gonna focus on today. We will need one more table. I'll show you what I have planned. In my mind, not even planned. We will do planning and all everything here only in front of you all. So this screen I really don't want to have. AI gave me this screen, build this screen, detail screen. This screen we have already. आदित्य मिश्रा, क्या हालचाल सर? बढ़िया सर, आप बताइए कैसे हो? How are you man? How are you sir? अरे मैं डिस्कॉर्ड पे डालना, मैं जब भी काम के फ्लो में रहता हूँ ना बहन, जो मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि अपने पास कम्युनिटी है, अपने को सबको बताना है, ये करना है. I should do this. कहाँ गया? Oh, we have some message. Tivo Venemo. Hey everyone. Now can I start with the Java from fresher? Before I have 3 years experience with PHP, but now in my country not have job. I want to start with Java again. It's good for me now. See, start. You can start with Java, but you should not start as a fresher. Experience doesn't mean knowing the technology. Experience mean how well you can manage the work and better deliver it. So start with Java. Yes, big yes. Start as a fresher. Big no. You convert all your projects, just not actually, but from the resume into Java, and just do enough good to justify that. Okay. What I have to do, मेरे को जाके इस डालना है ओके. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था. और एक और चीज, हे ब्रो, पेन पिंगो, हेलो मदर, हाउ आर यू ब्रो? Welcome to the stream, guys, and let me start today the ChartBrain app, the application that I have developed. It is really fun. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it just becomes an old uncle, so I stop it. But why not? Let me start it. ChartBrain. This is interactive chat that I have created. Whenever you just text in the YouTube chat or Discord, I'll get notified. So let's begin, and let me keep it in another last tab. We don't need it so often. Okay, so we need this. Yeah. Okay, so this is what congratulations भैया 1.5K हो गया. हाँ यार, थैंक यू सो मच बादल, थैंक यू. अभी जस्ट स्ट्रीम चालू करने से पहले हुआ. जस्ट मैं सोच रहा था कि स्ट्रीम पे हो जाएगा, लेकिन यस, निक योर पुश. थैंक यू ऑल यू गाइज. जल्दी हो रहा है बहुत. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्ट्रीम. एक सेकंड, लेट मी पोस्ट दिस. कैन वी? Okay. I'm in my final year. I have been doing DSA in C++ from 1.5 years, but now I feel I should shift to a language where I can also build my career easily well. So I was confused either to start Java or Go. Bro, don't shift your DSA immediately into new language. You can do projects in new language. Continue doing DSA in C++, because as a fresher, most of the people do DSA in C++. I also used to do DSA in C++. So don't shift that. Continue doing DSA in C++. Rather, you start with some project, a resume project, or finally a project that you have to do in college. It is mandatory to do a project. So consult with your teacher and finalize one topic and do that topic very rigorously. बहुत अच्छे से do it with very good intentions, using very less of AI. Keep a boundary of like 20 to 30% max AI usage. Rest of the code will be written by you. So like that, do that. Java is a very good starting point. You can do that. For a fresher, it's really good. I really suggest, because you're coming from C++, Java is also on the similar lines, like OOPS concepts and all, classes, class-based structure. So you will find it very similar, I would say. Go, I really don't have much idea about Go, so I can tell you about Java. As I have to do DSA in C++ and other things in other language, which is no, it's not confusing. It's just confusing until the time you don't start. C++ is really good to do DSA. Keep doing that. Don't worry about it, because you must have done some progress in DSA using C++. So why to like rectify it to zero, no? Just start your new project, and once you are into your job, then you can slowly migrate your DSA skills into Java, or whichever the technology will start working in. Okay, right now do DSA in C++ and start a good project in Joby language, Java preferably, or otherwise. Okay, back to the app. So I'll also open the last diagram that we have. So this was it, and I actually forgot where did we actually create it? Was it a Docker like database? Where did we actually create the database? Yeah, orders of Docker DB. Okay, it's in the Docker, but I have connected with the workbench. I literally forgot. Thanks, brother. No worries. Pingo. What's your name, bro? It's very funny, Pingo. Or is it your real name? Oh, am I laughing at your real name? Oh shit. Hey, reopen. Hey, because Docker is not started and hence it is not working. How dumb fuck I am. Because MySQL is not able to see the database server, and whenever I'm clicking on it, it's like, oh, it should be here, but it's not here. I was thinking it's a local database, but no, it's a local inside a Docker content. So let the Docker start. Let it start. Order sub, let me start. It has so many things, backend and 1DB. Just start DB for now, and we will reopen. It will reopen the workbench. Let me push this guy remote, because अपने को ये चाहिए नहीं होता. Just we start the Docker. Let's log into this database. Here it goes. And yeah, we have actually how many tables? Users tables is there, orders tables is there, order atoms, order email sources, and connector arco. Order email sources is something that AI created, that I didn't actually want it at the first place, but it is something that I need to select star, because if I let AI do everything, it will create a huge mess that will be very difficult to maintain long term. Why not use Postgres? Because MySQL is installed on my uh, uh, laptop, and I'm very familiar with MySQL. Always in a new project, my strategy is that whenever I start something new, I keep only one part as a gray area, which is like something new that I'll learn. Rest I try to use whatever I know. So in this project, what's something new that I'm doing? I'm doing a mobile application, like in the React Native. So that is a newer thing. So one thing per project is enough for me to handle. Yeah. वाह भाई क्या कॉफी बनाता हूँ यार मैं. So good. So order email sources. So this is this is something the emails converted to JSON, whatever the important information that I wanted to store. Not exactly the information, bus processing. Is it imported or not imported? That's it. If it is ignored, that means we don't want it. If it's not imported, then we have to import it. So that is there. Now we want one more table. I have new these animations ना, मेरे को पता नहीं था, I never knew कि we can have like this, so we will use these things now. Okay. Mm. I want to show you the tables, so there should be some. Hey, इसमें नहीं है क्या? इसमें था टेबल, सिस्टम डिजाइन कंपोनेंट्स, आर्किटेक्चर डायग्राम कंपोनेंट्स, सॉफ्टवेयर लोगोज. Yeah, this shapes and UML diagram, add to Excel draw. So it's been added. So this is what I want actually. So there will be I'll just for you guys I'll redraw whatever the things I had already. I'll redraw those. Am I audible to you guys? Let me verify. मैंने आज stream check नहीं किया. Let me verify. Mm, you guys can hear. I have a question. Why we have left and right? What? I have a question. Why we have left and right join both when either of one of them can be used, like right join and join B is equal to join B left join A. See, it will be useful when you really working at some place. Na? A real practical example. There are not only one type of join you have to do when you write a procedure and all. You create one source table. There will be one source table. उसके बाजू में you have to go sometimes you have to connect a table on the left, sometimes on the right. You will see the use cases as you go move forward. मेरे को भी ऐसे लगता था there are so many useless things in SQL we never use, but there was one project. It was like completely based on the stored procedures, and we wrote so many stored procedures that I came to know this shit is really important. It's just a time when you will find the use case, bro. Till then, just keep in mind that there are such things exist. Uh, okay, I need such 5 tables. So copy paste. I'll simplify these things. Don't worry. There is users table. Uh, this is users table. ये ऐसे क्यों लिख रहा है? Wait. मेरे को चाहिए सब मस्त. यूजर्स टेबल एक हो गया. देन उसके बाद है अपने पास कनेक्टेड अकाउंट्स. Connected accounts table. Okay. This table is there. ए इसका साइज बड़ा हो गया ना. इसका साइज नहीं बढ़ाना है मेरे को. इसको छोटा ही रखना है. So this is another table. Then there is orders table. So let me get. I can get this diagram from MySQL doing reverse engineering. Why I'm writing this? If I go here, orders up, server कहाँ होता है वो option? Did Yeah, reverse engineer. uh, is my screen stuck? No, it's not. आवाज गंदा क्यों आ रहा है इससे? Is my voice better now? Because I had, it should be better. Continue. It's only giving me the local uh, databases instead of this. I want this. The sub. Continue. Uh, place important objects and diagram. यार अंडरस्टैंड ये स्ट्रीम स्ट्रिप यार साला को अपडेट करना. So let's continue and then it's not lead code. Uh, okay, fine. Now summary reverse yeah close. Now we have this diagram. So we can simplify this. Email sources connected to this users. This users table. This table. Then this orders table, which will be connected by all. Orders item is basically a part of this. We will keep it here. Then connected account. So users table should come in the middle. Correct. So this will be a better design choice. Okay. You come over here. Okay. Orders email sources. User table will go here. This is fine. This is fine. And then this is fine. Connected account. Okay, so this much is fine. I want uh, the screenshot of this. Okay, instead of drawing all this stuff, I can be little smart. copy image, delete, and then come over here where I was drawing these things. Let me delete, let me paste. Okay, and right, yeah. So this, now I really need one more table. That is what I need to plan over here. So let me change. Latini hand. Yes. I actually need one more. आवाज इतना खराब क्यों आ रहा है अभी भी? Let me remove all the things and then let's see. Is it fine? It's fine. Just a compressor is enough. Yeah. So I want company master यहाँ पे a table. So company master, and then this table is basically for all the things that I want to save about company. So in this one, uh, I'll I'll have simple ID, company logo, name, and what else I'll need. And okay, ID, name, and then policies. I need to save something. Policies I'll save about the company, and I'll ask Codex about this. And it will be connected to orders app. So it will be connected to orders app. Orders app will have like one-to-one relationship with company master, and okay, if order table will only have this company id, and if it is not present in this one, we will like sync plus plus. So we will sync the company master and we'll add a new company, so that our company master will grow with the time. So that is what the goal over here is. So company master is a good idea. Let me open codex, because it's been so many days that we have opened and told this. And also let me get the HTML, the new HTML for the app. So this is the HTML I have. This, you guys can see this. This is the HTML I have for now, and this is what I need to build. So this has an OTP field. Yes, I have an OTP field. Then this about delivery statuses. I wish to not have enumized this delivery statuses. It's scary to maintain all this from all the apps. 5 days to return this thing. We'll think about this page, the details page. We should have a details page, no? It will be better, right? So we will have a details page. Let me keep this codex here. And this is the database system that I want, so that it will not starting with MVP 2 for this app. Now this is the extra table that I'm planning to have. A company master will grow as our app grows. Okay, so this is the thing that I want. Meanwhile, what happened to the public today? Yeah, logo URL, website domain, that is what we want. Policies, company created at in orders ID, foreign key, company master ID, keep merchant key for now during transaction. What's merchant key it's suggesting to me? reason one company like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. will have many orders across many users. The orders table should store the transaction component, should show the reusable. Yeah, that is what I want. That is what I want. Company master is a global thing. One row for each new company that we will come across. That's the whole point is. I need to store domain array. I need to can a company have वाह क्या हवा आ रही है can a company have more than one domain? That is a question. So I'll just write it down, all the things that I need for this company master table. So क्या गंदा हैंडराइटिंग लिखा है भाई मैंने. Company master. Okay, it will have its own ID, of course. The most important thing would be logo URL, or maybe we will store it in a blob storage somewhere, because I don't want to always fetch the logo for the company. So logo URL I'll store. Company absolutely have more than one domain, amazon.in.com. Yeah. Welcome to the stream, guys. So company will have more than one domains, correct? And what about emails, email IDs? A company can have many emails, right? So do we have to track that? ID, company key, name, logo URL, policies, and then active. Okay. We should have something. A domain should be unique. We should have something. तो मेरे आवाज को क्या छूटा हो गया क्या? I was thinking of keeping something unique for a company master. We should have something unique for company maybe domain can serve as a unique thing. Amazon.in and Amazon.uk would be two different roles. Can it be? I would not make two different company master roles unless you want to treat country level businesses as separate companies. We do, we do actually. Okay, like this, it's suggesting. Mm, okay, so one to many, that is clear. One to many, company to domains, finalized. What about the emails? तुमसे ही दिल धड़कता है. So we need actually both two different things, right? Let's make emails also one to yum, but with one important detail: final shape one to yum, company domains one to yum, company email addresses. Okay, okay. I understood this part now. What it's suggesting, this will be our main table, correct? I'll draw it little big, and then there will be two tables. One table, it will be company domains. It would be company domains, and it will have its own ID, and it will have like a unique domain, right? One too many company domains. So it will have like company ID, and domain, of course. That's all. And then housekeeping columns. Uh, housekeeping columns we will have. Okay. What next? And email addresses. This one, another table that we will have. So this is another table. Okay, both of these are like one too many. This is also one too many. One too many, and this is like company emails. Company emails, correct? This will again have its ID, but this time company ID, company ID, but email would be like unique. Company ID, and this would be multiple. Email is multiple. That's it. What all things it's saying: purpose, active, created at. These are like housekeeping columns, man. So this is it now, and then housekeeping columns. housekeeping columns. Fine. Then company master, what all fields it will have again. uh, Now give me uh, all the three tables in detail. Let's get that. Company key, I still didn't buy it. Okay, logo I know. Website is what we know. Then sometimes some companies will have a third party. Sometimes some company will have third party shipment sites. So what about them? Let me fetch that email in which there is this scenario. So coin stuff. Okay, for example, these types of orders. So they have this third party URL on which I have to go and fetch something. Okay, so sometimes third party shipment sites. What about those cases? So we need to have could catch third party shipment sites could not be forced into seller company. Example, delivery blue dart. So we should treat logistics provider as companies too, but relate them to orders differently. Mm, no, it's not able to understand the requirement. Let me give it this. I mean, like this one. It's slightly different from third-party shipment companies send the email. The merchant company still coins stuff, but the email contains a third-party tracking link. So don't model ship profit as the portal company model it as. Yeah, that's what I was saying, bro. Carrier company ID and this is shit. We should have, this is a special use case now. We should have a company mapped to the same table. What's going on today? Is my stream not reaching to all of you? Is there any issue? यार चेंज थंबनेल ही चेंज नहीं हुआ बहन चोद शिट यार थंबनेल ही चेंज नहीं हुआ था यार I had a wrong thumbnail, so now it's correct. What all things I will have, I need to change. Yes, we will do calculation in the front end. This 5 days return and all. This change I need to have number of days left to return. Right. These things is fine. I guess this page I don't have to change anything. Order details page I can create. From inbox, yeah, this is okay. I don't have something for this from inbox. जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं जाने क्यों लोग जाने क्यों जाने क्यों जाने क्यों जाने क्यों जाने क्यों प्यार बेकार की मुसीबत है हेलो हेलो और भाऊ क्या हाल चाल। मेरा एग्जाम्स खत्म। नाइस 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 नाइस। अरे इतने टाइम तक मैंने गलत थंबनेल डाल रखा था लीड कोड का, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग व्हाई रॉन्ग पीपल आर आस्किंग रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। हेलो कुनन कुन, हेलो हेलो ब्रो। और बताओ, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम गाइज। हाय ब्रो, हाउ डू यू थिंक हाउ टू build a product or a functionality if a problem statement is given to you like this needs to be done first, then this, and we will achieve our goal? Please explain. Yeah. So the technique is called, basically, first start with the LLD approach. First understood the problem, that is the whole point. Once you understand the problem and all, uh, two things we have to build. First is database design. We have to understand the calculation part, ki how many users are going to use. I keep that as a secondary. I don't keep bring that in first in the picture, because once we have the design and all, we can always improve on that. But first I design this. So see, I'm a front end developer since a long time. So now UI can be built. UI can be built using AI. Okay, Claude, Codex, and all, they can give the AI very easy UI very easily. So this is the first prototype of UI that I've created. I used to create this using pen and paper, and use those handwritten drawings as the starting point. But now I can still draw my own drawings, but give it to AI, and it gives a good prototype of that. Based on that, I segregate the number of tables that I usually need. So instead of writing what will go inside the table, I'll just first have like users, connected accounts, orders, and orders items. So these tables I have to think about. First I can think about like 10 different tables, but after that I have to cut down on many tables and try to simplify the first MVP. Like the first MVP should only fix or only solve the core problem of our application. Whatever the question that you are asking, product functionality, we can build n number of features, n number of functionality, but that's not the whole goal is always start from the core problem solving scenario. So these four tables actually came in the picture first. So based on those four tables, I built the first MVP, and after that I plan APIs, which APIs we need usually. Okay, so for this one, by seeing at the picture, we clearly can see there is authentication API, correct? There is the authentication part. There is this list of orders. I also skipped this funds and all, how much we have spent. I just kept it very simple. So this list of orders, so that is a simple orders API that we need. And then yeah, that's all. Only two APIs that needed actually in the first place. So I built those APIs, and that's how my MVP 1 was ready. I can show you on my phone. I'm continuously testing that. uh, you guys can see this is the first MVP. Can you guys see my phone? I hope nothing else is visible on this. So see this. Okay, so this is the first MVP, and it's a working prototype. Now it's working. I can always fix the things in this one. So this is the basic idea I wanted to prove. It's working. Now the product has a prototype, and that's the most important part. Now I can always go and add new tables. So this was my original database. It had these tables created, correct? Now the next table that I am adding is company master. So that's how I'll go, and I'll move onto the things. Do, 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 do. help me on what? साइलेंट स्ट्रीम ही क्या आज? नो म्यूजिक, नो साउंड्स। म्यूजिक नहीं चल रहा है क्या? म्यूजिक चल रहा है ब्रो। बहुत कम है क्या म्यूजिक? थोड़ा सा कम ही रखा है मैंने, थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दिया लो। श्योर अरे भाई चैट ब्रेन वापस आज, यस यस। अरे मेरे को उसमें डेटा चाहिए ना, आई वांट टू फिक्स दैट एप्लीकेशन, सो आई वांट एटलीस्ट 10,000 rows of lines so that I can create a good product out of that. That's why I'm keeping it on. How to improve the database designing, bro? Keep design. There is no perfect database design. First and foremost, you just design and see what's the problem that you are facing, and then you fix it. See, always using normalization is also not good thing. Sometimes letting the rows replicate is what a useful thing. Sometimes in some cases, you don't know about that always, but you will come across such instances as well, that you have to let the rows somewhere duplicate and somewhere you can save something. mm, yeah, relationship I always define. What's the relationship I want? This users table on orders is one to many relationship. Users on connected accounts is one to many. Orders on orders items is one to many, like this. So once I get the relationship, it becomes really easy to create the entities out of it. I missed some text. Let me. रिसेंटली डन 12th। मैं उसके बाद क्या करूँ पता नहीं है। कोडिंग सीखूँ या एडिटिंग या कोडिंग, क्या क्या दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा। पसंद सब है लेकिन पहले इजी जल्दी इनकम सोर्स क्या होगा। एक्सेल सीखी है मैंने। ओके ब्रो, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वन थिंग, यू नो, you can do 100 things but you cannot do 100 things at once. You can do one after other. That is the easy and the best way. So pick one, start one, and do one instead of overthinking other things. Keep it simple, like try to keep the things real simple, you know. Don't jump for money. हाँ, yeah, money is not पैसों के पीछे मत जाओ अभी, you know. You are just completed 12th. For you money means nothing at this point. Nobody expects money from you. You focus on building skills development should be the main goal of your 20s. Don't jump on money. If you really have interest तभी करना। यस ट्रू। आपका चैनल क्या है? मेरे को पूछ रहे हो, किसको पूछ रहे हो? उसको पूछ रहे हो? हेलो कौस्तुभ, हाउ आर यू मैन? आज एक और जॉब ऑफर आया, बट साले कल दिन में ही इंटरव्यू देने बोल रहे। आई डोंट नो हाउ टू। ब्रो कोई नहीं ब्रो, दे दो। मैंने तुम्हें क्या बोला, पहले कुछ इंटरव्यू भगवान के लिए। कौस्तुभ, इतने दिन तक इंटरव्यूज नहीं स्केड्यूल हो रहे थे। नाउ दैट यू आर गेटिंग इंटरव्यूज स्केड्यूल्ड, दे दो इंटरव्यूज। एंड इंटरव्यू के एकदम बाद विदाउट डिलेइंग एनीथिंग लिखो, like what mistakes you made, what good things happened, what questions did they ask. Write it in a document. हम भी ऐसे ही करते हैं and we share it across our friends कि जावा में मेरे को ये पूछ रहे हैं यार, जावास्क्रिप्ट में ये पूछ रहे हैं, एंगुलर में ये पूछ रहे हैं। तो these questions repeat, don't delete the messages. good. Agile Guru is back. Hello Agile Guru, welcome to the stream again. We have finished the web crawler. If you have seen, I have merged all your PRs, my PRs, and everything is done. And I'll add the readme document. I always forget to add readme document. What the fuck, bro? I should keep readmes clean. Second level normalization is minimum. Third level is good, if and only if your performance is not affected. Yes, yeah. ससुरा नाम कॉपी हो गया। If 3NF is usually the same default for OLTP, denormalize only when actual query metrics prove it's certain, not because joins look scary. 5 इंटरव्यू भगवान के नाम, गुड। Now I can see a real progress in you, Kaustubh. Few days ago you were confused guy, now you are on the track, making some progress. मेरे को ये पसंद है, कोई मेरे सर पे भी ऐसा हाथ रख दे तो मैं भी कुछ कर लूँ। आई वॉन्ट टू स्विच, व्हाट इज योर नेम? ऋषिक चौधरी। आई वॉन्ट टू स्विच माई जॉब। करंटली आई एम अ फुल स्टैक डेवलपर यूजिंग Node.js, React, Nest, little bit of Laravel. Yeah, then you are all set na bro. Just have to get a better job, not start from scratch. ये बताओ बड़े भाई, उसने फीडबैक मांगना ऐसा डिस्गस्टिंग नहीं है। नहीं, फीडबैक मांगो फीडबैक। कुछ डिस्गस्टिंग नहीं है, कुछ गलत नहीं है, मांगो भाई। एक्सेल कंप्लीट हो गया है साथ में, और क्या सीखूं? ब्रो, व्हाट अबाउट द कॉलेज दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गो? मतलब व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कॉलेज यू आर गोइंग टू लाइक चेक? चेक बोल रहा हूँ भाई, क्या इंग्लिश गंदी हो गई है मेरी. सी दिस हैपेंस whenever I use three different languages. I use Marathi, I use Hindi, I use English. And if today I spoke too much of Marathi, or someday if I speak too much of Hindi, I forgot English. I forget English. See, this is the fuck. This is the fuck happens with me. कौन सा वो दोबारा मिलने वाला है जीवन में. गुड. आई लाइक द कॉन्फिडेंस. माई इंग्लिश. यस. Problem is I apply, but I'm not getting replies from recruiter applied on Indeed. See, uh, the same thing I have also done, bro. I also used to stick to only one platform, but sticking to only one platform is wrong. Like platform like Indeed, we have to throw our stone in all the directions. Use Indeed, use Naukri, use LinkedIn. There are many new platforms. I'm listing all those things. कहाँ पे मैं list कर रहा था? I had some notes over here, yeah. Shit, I kept it somewhere, but I had a list of companies, list of platforms from where we should apply in these days. So you just Google or Chat GPT kar lo. You will get the list of. Sticking to only one platform indeed is too old. I don't know वहाँ से किसी को आती भी है नहीं है. हाँ, इंग्लिश कब से सीखे चाह रहा हूँ, आखिर ये कैसे सीखूँ, ये सीख लिया तो मैं अपनी आधी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. You are very confused, Kunan. So seems like you don't have any goals set, or you should also not have any serious goals by this age. Just enjoy life little. You can focus on the type of college you really want to go. Because that will make your life, that will make or break your life. It is a really important decision of your life. If you go into some good college as in you will get a good community of people around. अच्छे चार लोग मिलेंगे, चार नई चीज़ें सीखोगे, तुम्हें अपने आप पता चलेगा कि क्या हो करना है ज़िंदगी में, क्या नहीं. एक्सेल स्किल नहीं होता, ओनली हार्ड स्किल्स मैटर्स. लर्न वन स्टैक एंड स्टार्ट स्मॉल एंड हैव फन विदाउट वर्किंग. या काबिल बनो काबिल बनो काबिल. ठीक है. नाउ I was thinking to have an AI layer, but AI layer will exhaust my money, and I don't want to do this at this point in time. So I'll keep this stuff simple. Okay, this page I'll build it, no problem. We'll build one page, that's not an issue. At least we'll build an API. UI हम बाद में भी देख सकते हैं कि कैसे बनाना है क्या नहीं. Okay. Oof. And a web crawler, we will use that concept here. Not exactly crawl the web, but at least parse the HTML. So we will use the HTML parser that we have wrote in this application. It will be a different service. Kun, I'll suggest you to explore more at this point in time, because you should not know all the things. पता है अभी तुम्हारी उम्र नहीं है सारी चीज़ें पता होने की. अभी तुम्हारी उम्र है कि तुम एक्सप्लोर करो, बातें करो लोगों से, अलग अलग लोगों से, अलग अलग फील्ड के लोगों से जाओ, बात करो, ज्ञान लो उनसे, वो क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं. फिर तुम्हें अपने आप चीज़ें पता चलनी चालू होगी. गोस्ट गेमिंग, हेलो मैन, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. डोंट नेम योर टेबल विथ मास्टर, इट शुड बी कंपनी. Only in analytics it should say company master with denormalized data. Okay, is it some kind of a rule? company, you are saying you should not name it as company master. What should I name it? Oh shit, I cannot erase this. I can do this. Company master नहीं तो फिर क्या करें? Company, yeah, company is fine, no? Let's keep it as company only. Why to make things difficult? No, I'm trying to get my mind around on this content because I don't really want to miss on anything. Carrier company ID कोडेक्स पागल हो गया भाई, ये गलत गलत चीजें दे रहा है. एक चीज बताओ मेरे को, मेरी आवाज खराब आ रही है क्या आज? मेक इट एज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वुड साउंड वेरी corporate thing, you know. I want to just keep the different companies coming along. So instead of company master, I'll take that feedback. I'll just keep it as company. That's fine. मैंने कुछ मिस किया क्या? सच बोलूँ तो जैसे ही 12th दिया 1.5 year हो गया, तब से काम ही ढूंढ रहा हूँ. अभी गुड़गांव में हूँ यार. मजदूरों वाला काम मिलता है. मैं अब घर जाऊंगा और सीखूंगा. इस कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर लो यार कोई. 3-4 साल कहीं अच्छी जगह पे जाओगे, कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर लो कुछ भी. डू योर ग्रेजुएशन एंड ऑल ना. काम के पीछे मत भागो. अभी अभी तुम्हारी काम की उम्र नहीं है. गेट गुड एजुकेशन एंड देन यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट. एजुकेशन लोग बोलते इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, इंडिया में तो है ही नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ा तो मैटर करता है भाई वो. ये शिपमेंट टेबल क्या चूतिया बना दिया भाई इसने. चूतिया. Quickly mix the things. Company name fine. Primary domain fine. See, this will create a issue if we keep it as a primary domain, a unique. सटिया गया है ये. Can I store the policies? I want to store the policies of companies. Can I store? Let me see any example of company policies. For example, Amazon company policies. But ये कौन सी पॉलिसी होगी उसको कैसे पता? Amazon business conduct ethics. अलग अलग टाइप की पॉलिसीज आ गई. आर यू सेइंग समथिंग? नो. इज एक्टिव टू डजंट मैटर यार. इज एक्टिव होना, विल कीप इट इज एक्टिव. Policies varies according to country of operation. Yeah, that's true, because that's why I'm creating this another table, because it does change. So a company will have multiple domains and company will have multiple emails, the emails that we are tracking, and the domains from where, for example, India will have amazon.in, UK will have amazon.uk, global would be amazon.com, something like that. So the domains, so this table may have the company policies, but how we can fetch those policies, you know? We fetching all the complete policy document is not fair. It's not worth it. It's too much of a data. Maybe parse that HTML and try to get important things like written policies. Maybe what kind of written policies that they have, something like that. अगर ये MongoDB NoSQL होता तो I could have saved a complete JSON in one row. टेक्निकल में इंटरेस्ट है, लेकिन मेरे से गलती हो गया है। 12th साइंस से किया, लेकिन मैं सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी ही BCA वगैरह में नेम भी नहीं लिखाया। स्टोर द टेक्स्ट एज a URL. Store the text as a URL in domains table. In this table, you mean to say this table. Text as URL here. Yo, what's up, Dhruv Patare? Hello, bro. What's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Now I'm slightly confused. You know, ID and logo तक ठीक है, मैं ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना चाह रहा. Clearly, I don't want to over complicate the things. I'll simply save name. ठीक है, name is fine. One to many के लिए I don't need to store anything here. This side, okay. Then is active will keep. There's no point. मतलब is active, it's an housekeeping column, so we'll simply mention housekeeping columns at the end. Mention housekeeping columns. अरे यार, then अभी तो बंद हो गया भाई. पॉलिसीज तो नहीं रखते, छोड़ो. प्राइमरी ये सब नहीं, इज एक्टिव नहीं, ठीक है, इतना ही बस है मेरे लिए. आई कैन मैनेज with this one. Company domains ID, company ID, domain, this is housekeeping columns. Text URL, what you said, I'll just look out for that. Company emails, company ID and this, okay. And yeah, once we get these company emails na, the next fetch would be based on these company emails rather than some other things. Kausan, hello bro, how are you? I guess you are the one who texted on the Discord, right? This is you, Tio Van Mio, because you mentioned in my country, that's why I guessed it's you. Kausan. Ghost Gaming, a question: if you are fine with it, does a graduation degree value more than a course like CS15 in your opinion? Brother, it really depends on the system. If you have your own business and on all, nothing matters, neither a course, neither a graduation. But if you want to get into some company, then you do need a graduation degree. It does not mean anything that you are graduated from XYZ or top universities or something. It just gives you a more opening options. You know, तुम्हें कम market में जाके you have to do less of a hard work if you have a good graduation degree. If you don't have any degree, then you have to like showcase your skills so much that the company would take note of that and then hire you, which are like very less chances of that. So if you want to get into some companies, you need a graduation degree. There are exceptional cases where people are doing exceptional work, showcasing their work in public and then getting hired, but those are like exceptions. If you are an exceptional person, you can. If not, if you are a normal person, nobody is normal, but if you haven't done anything fancy, then stick to the degree. Courses you can do anytime. Courses is an add-on. What are we doing today? So, Dhruv bhai, we are. If you remember, we have built the orders app application. The first MVP is live. It's working. It's under the testing. My friends have tested it, and I got some feedback. And based on that, I have only picked 3-4 points that I need to implement in the next MVP, which is MVP 2, because I want to push it to Play Store as soon as possible. So that's why there is a new table that I'm introducing, which is Company Master. I want to have this is the discussion that is going on. I like to spend more time in this database design phase, because if something wrong I make here, मतलब कुछ भी wrong connection मैंने कर लिया यहाँ पे, then I have to pay it in long term. So better I do some brainstorming over here, take some ideas and improve this design. Once this is done, I'll start with the entities and not entities. I'll first figure out which APIs I need to build. I'll not try to open the code today. कोड को खोलना ही नहीं है आज मेरे को बस प्लानिंग करना है, LLD करना है, उसका हाई लेवल सिस्टम डिज़ाइन करेंगे, डेटाबेस डिज़ाइन करेंगे. दैट्स इट. Okay, I have this is the old UI design that I had, and I have the new UI design now. So this is the design I have. We will build this. Correct. This part I really want to show Aravin today, because this will solve my problem. Matlab, these are like my daddy issues that I really want to solve. So arriving today, arriving this will showcase, मतलब जो भी order आने वाला है वो ऊपर दिखे. And then we will use also read about notification service in Android. There is a notification service in Android, so it works both ways, notification bar. So I can read this notification service when the notifications are on, and I can push the notification. So I want to use this. I have to use this. So these few things are there, and app is still live. I'm showing this again and again. App is live. Yep, in domain tables, policies are human readable docs, so it is good to publish it as a URL and reference it in the domain table as a column. Yeah, publish it in the document as in a blob storage. That's what I'm planning. Blob storage is something that I know. I'll have to keep a blob storage, but right now I don't own any resources. I am running this on a free tier, so there won't be any blob storage. I'll just create a column and keep it open for the future. इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कैसे सीखे ब्रो? यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. You watch English movies, you try to give presentations and all. That's where you learn. That's why I'm telling you, go to join a college, because in college your actual personal life skills really get developed. How to approach a software. I have an idea of making an app of cafe where you can manage cafe, and also for your cafe tables you can generate QR code for user to scan an order which you will get on. First simplify. Yeah, understood. First simplify your idea. First simplify your problem statement. Your problem statement should be so simple that you should be able to explain it in like 2-3 lines max to max. Once you can explain that idea, then you start from the core feature you really want. As you mentioned QR code, you mentioned 3-4 features in just one message. So keep it simple. Pick only 1 or 2 core features of your app, and make it as a one MVP1 is like you try to justify your prototype. You make your idea come to life. So that is what MVP1 is, and then you can add more features to it. Okay. Hamza Ali Madari. Hamza Ali Madari in the chat. Okay, I'm good with it. If I get thumbs up from Agile Guru, I can start. Okay, starting from auth part to set up cafe and dashboard to generate table QR codes, will add reviews, etc. Orders later. Cafes and all are listed on Google, you know. So you don't create your own review system and all. You just use the Google's API to fetch those reviews and let the user add reviews from the app to the Google, because that's the rating which matters, not the your localized one. Auth also, you should use third party authentication. One which is used by all the normal people is Google authentication. Okay, dashboard is something your own, you can use that. And generate QR code also, there are libraries present in Python, you can leverage that. Try which far better than you in every aspect. This is one sure short way to improve your communication skill. Real life advice. Yeah, making backend first. Yes, making the design, this design ना इसको बोलते हैं database design. So you design database first. ठीक है, this database design you can create. That means you have very good idea of what you really want to build. This is क्या बोलते हैं, this is the heart of your application. Once you build this, you plan what APIs do you need. You can use AI to create such UI prototype of your application, and then start with backend or front end, whatever you want to start. LGTM means looks good to me. Okay, thanks. uh Now let's think of, yes, I did some database work to it. That's nice, that's pretty good. अभी अभी अपने को क्या मांगता, अभी अपने को कौन सा API चाहिए. Now this order should be connected to this master table. From there it should pick. Okay, so our orders API will change now, correct? So API changes, our orders API will change. Right now it's fetching data from orders table, orders plus orders items. Now we have to join one more table, which is company master. No, I'll not mention company master, I'll just say company. Okay, so this is like ID is linked over here. So orders table has an order company ID. So company ID, based on this will fetch company details. Company details, maybe we will have just logo for now. We need logo URL so that it will populate the logo URL. For this part only I was thinking of having an AI interface, because AI can easily generate this information and add to our database. So many different thoughts I'm having. I have to pick one. You know, like how Doctor Strange thinking many different instances, many different versions of the same thing, but he says one. One is the one that you will win. DB design is hard skill, bro. See, not hard, not hard. Well, the basic things what we need is really easy and that we can really use. The extreme things are always difficult in anything, like koi bhi, in every technology it will be really difficult. But this is basic skill, it's not nothing, it's nothing. This table is also generated using reverse engineer feature of workbench. It is really easy, it is fun, to be honest. In start you don't want too much complex data. Say start from small, you will learn it gradually. Yeah, true. Orders API only, I need one change. That's that I understood. Okay, then there is this pricing and all. Pricing and all, I can do this calculation in the front end. Uh, this month tracked ID. JavaScript is really good at this. uh, Instead of doing one more API call, or I can do another API call, because not all the orders will be fetched over here. Okay, we will need stats API, so I'll add this. The new things that I need, I'll add it in green. Stats API. It will return spends in last 30 days. Okay, and number of orders, this much is fine, no big deals. And then the most important complete new feature is this page, orders details. I really don't wanted to build this page, but AI gave me this design and it looks good, and why not? So we will build this order details page. Okay, it will be the third least priority thing, order details page. This API is something that we will think lowest priority. Okay, lowest of low priority. What things will come here, all those things I'll not even mention that, because that is the lowest priority right now. This much is good. कहाँ तक पढ़ा था मैं? Yo, hello meet bro, how are you man? I stopped working on that notch and started working on a new one with the learnings of the previous one. Soon reveal the loop. That's good. This is what ना, पुराने mistakes से नया कुछ बनाओ, बेहतर बनाओ. That is what it is. मैं तो डायरेक्ट ई कॉमर्स का डेटाबेस लिखने लग गया. I also used to do that. Happy to share that my daughter has been placed in one of the biggest architecture company after 2 years of study. She will do work and study side by side. Congratulations, sir. This is really good. It is, as a father, it will be a better feeling than getting placed by yourself. It is something that your daughter has achieved, which is really good. Let me congratulate you. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस लिखना, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट लिखना, बट ठीक है. भावना पॉइंट्स ले भाई. ये कैसे बनाते हो दिस डेमो ऑफ इमेज शॉट ऑफ ब्रो? आई ड्रॉ बाय हैंड, पेन एंड बीन बिफोर द एज ऑफ एआई. दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज्ड टू डू. मैं पेन और पेपर से बनाता हूँ, एंड देन नाउ आई कैन गिव दिस ड्राइंग्स टू, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एआई को, एंड एआई गिव्स मी दिस प्रोटोटाइप, अ सिंपल प्रोटोटाइप, and it gives this diagram, and then we can do start. ठीक है. I thought I will not open the code today, but it seems we will have to open. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. ओके. अरे मैं ये कुछ पूछ रहा था, मेरी आवाज, इज माई वॉइस इज टू बैड, लाइक इज इट worse than the daily voice? I feel some fishy thing is happening today. I'm not sure. Is my voice is okay or not good? अरे विम वगैरह यूज करो ना, क्या ही इंटेलिजेंट खोल लेते हो. See, I'm here. Your voice is good. Thank you. Bro, I never in my life used IntelliJ, but I started learning Java on this channel, and learning Java just does not mean learn the syntax and all. It means learn the complete environment, the environment that people usually use. So as a Java developer, I should be familiar with IntelliJ. So that is what I never use. I didn't like IntelliJ. I use anti-gravity when I'm off stream or most of the times, but IntelliJ is something that it is a Java specific thing. So that's why, So let me open that. मेरे को भी personally इतना IntelliJ personally I also didn't like the IntelliJ that much. Order sub new window. Will not open the front end today at least. Hmm. एक बंधन छोड़ा. Let me see what I have on the order sub on GitHub. Order sub. It's a proper backend. This time I have kept a segregation. I have docker file. Okay, I have this simple docker, and then there should be one more docker compose. Yeah, I have database and I have backend. I don't have anything else. Yeah, okay, fine. This much I have, which is a good starting point. And let me see the branches. So code branches. There is current. Okay, fine. Failure. Yeah, railway is failing. I have deployed it on railway. If you guys don't know this, ई कहाँ है मेरा, कहाँ है मेरा. Deployment failed due to build. Yeah, this is the backend that I have deployed. It is a free tier, so I don't care. जब मेरे को फिर से deploy करना होगा, but it's working, no? It's working. See, synced 10 seconds ago. It's working. The most hard things is too many nodes packages. Seems weird, yeah. Bro, your voice and video delay is that. I mean, the voice is coming first and then there is a delay in the. Oh, is it so? Let me check this. ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. अगर ये ऐसा आ भी रहा है, it's just a YouTube thing. Bro, is the repo of the SaaS public? If yes, then how are you gonna earn fuck you money from this? Bro, not everything is for money, man. And see, there are many repos, big repos are public. Nobody really care about that, no? It doesn't, even if my repo is public, I can still publish my app. It's not a big deal. Anyone is open to copy whatever I have done, improve whatever I have done. वॉइस एंड वीडियो में सिंकिंग प्रॉब्लम है. अरे यार देवा, लेट मी फिक्स दिस. हाउ कैन आई फिक्स दिस? बट एक काम करता हूँ. आई शुड नाउ स्टार्ट. Now there shouldn't be any delay. It should be synced now perfectly. Okay, if I change a mic for 1 minute, maybe MacBook Pro microphone. Yeah, hello, hello, hello. I'm still using this. Now it should use this. It's a dual stereo audio. It should be fine. It should be fine now. She did it very quietly, and once she got it, she told me it is a lesson for many. Don't reveal your plans. Showcase your results. Yeah, true. True, yes. People usually don't care about other. Yeah, yes. Okay, then I would like to contribute if you need any. Yeah, always, bro. I always use the boards. If you guys are not aware, I plan my things very carefully. So projects and yeah, there is nothing because I just started with new MVP. Yeah, there are these two bugs, so anybody can pick this up and can fix this and can contribute to this repos, so it's always open. You can always refer to these things. Just that I don't ask anybody to come and do this, but anybody is interested, I'm more than happy to do so. Turn off your video and on it again in OBS. Okay. अगर वीडियो ही नहीं होगा तो सिंक का इश्यू नहीं होगा, करेक्ट? इफ देर इज नो वीडियो देन देर इज अ नो सिंक इश्यू. Let me check the internet speed. And guys, I have also found one more thing, a game to play here, because continue code कर करके दिन भर ना दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. So there is a delay in my system. There is a huge delay in my system. MacBook is lagging. I don't have any space left. 450 GB is available. Its space is there. The internet is slow. There is this game that I found. Oh my god. It's fun. We'll play this थोड़ी देर बाद. Have you considered using Flyway DB for versioning your DB releases? No. I haven't published that many things that I need to have database versioning and all. Maybe in future I will, but right now though I don't have such use case. I guess it should have fixed it. Do you guys still see this syncing issues? Play Sekiro, very relaxing after coding. What is Sekiro? I want to play something on stream. That's what I want. Bro, it's some PlayStation shit, no? I don't have PlayStation. No, bro, the delay is real, lol. Just 2-3 seconds lag. Hey, what the fuck? Two, 3 seconds delay is too much. In this video also, this main screen, in this video also, do you have a delay? It's a game, yeah. EA Sports, it's a game. Bro, I have a MacBook. I can't play games on this shitty thing. मेरे को जलाओ ना. No, bro, it's fine. Okay. Okay, चलो बेटा, टाइम पास नहीं, काम करते हैं काम. So current, I think I have everything all set. Get fetch. Okay, it's all set. Get checkout -b. Current, not -b. Current, git tool origin main. Yeah. Fast forward. Let me delete this branch. It's always good to start from a new branch. Get checkout main. Get checkout -b. Current. अरे git delete के लिए क्या होता है कमांड? git branch delete command, git checkout main, git branch d, yeah, git branch d, git branch hyphen d current deleted current branch. Okay, git checkout hyphen d mvp to mvp2 ही रखते हैं, git checkout hyphen b. Okay, that's better, and we can start now. We have this structure, auth, we don't have to see the auth now, that part is working fine. That was the most exceptional part that AI did for us, not us. Orders, yeah, this is the first API that we need to change, but before that we need a new entity. So right now we don't have an entity, so let's create an entity now. Java class, and we will, as Agile Guru said, we will just name it as company. Okay, yes, add. This is very stupid message, just add every fucking thing that I create. This is an entity, it should know an entity. Spring Boot should know it's a bean. Okay, so yeah, extends base entity, which has the housekeeping columns. Base entity, what you guys are saying? बहुत ही अच्छा वेदर है ब्रो अभी. Bro, now it is delay again, bro. It feels like dizziness. What the fuck? Buy a laptop, play it very relaxing. You will feel too good, bro. Bro, I'm not a gaming person, to be honest. मैं ग्राउंड पे जाके मस्त क्रिकेट खेल के आता हूँ. मेरे को गेम वेम में इतना मज़ा नहीं आता. अरे बाप रे, 1840 हो. गार्डन में पानी एंड कॉफी विद फैमिली. BRB in 20 minutes or so. Yeah, sure. Take your time. By the way, new notch name is Malika. It is exceptional hybrid type of mango. Really? It is an Indian name for my notch. I have pushed the code on my GitHub, but I don't think so anyone would run it now, as it is a quick shell. So see, for this one, Meet, if you know the concept of Docker, if you have Dockerized your application, then anybody would can run your application without actually having the complete setup to run your app. That's good. I really want to name it as company master, but company master, I'll name it as company master. I really want to have named as company master. Okay, let me grab all those things, copy, paste. A bin is been injected. Name orders, unique characters, name, column names, we don't need this. Table name is company master, so it will name like this. Hey, somebody suggested me this series, Moon Knight. It was really good. Moon Knight was मजा आ गया Moon Knight देख के ना. Okay, company master is fine. Then the primary ID, we will just use it as this begin or whatever this it is. ठीक है. Then the next thing is we actually need to store the brand name. So from here we will remove the brand name, but how we will match between orders and company, no? That is another question. No, but it is only for Linux, so that is the case. I don't think so it works on any other OS. Bro, in the Docker, inside Docker, you can install Linux. Inside, see, if I have a Mac OS, how would I run your code? So for that, there are different containers you can see on my screen. These are containers, and I can have any fucking OS on this one installed. You can install Linux first, and then install whatever the thing that you have created on top of that. So that's how it depends on Linux specific. Yeah, Docker won't magically make macOS Windows supports happen. Yeah, no, it is just containerization. Inside that, we can try it out. Kakashi, bro, what's up, man? Long time no see. How are you, bro? And welcome to the stream. ओ लटका दे झटका दे मर्चेंट की कहाँ से आया वहाँ पे आग लगा के ये कहाँ गया रे डेटाबेस कहाँ गया रे सीने से लगा के मैं हूँ एक शरारा 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 let me see what all things are present. Select star from orders. It is order number, brand name is there, it's paid. Brand name I'll remove from there. It's paid column is also not required. Merchant key. Merchant key is something that I really don't want. Okay, merchant key is not required. So let me remove this because I need a migration for this. This column is not required. Okay, brand name is also not required. And then order number is still here, bill amount is still here, currency is still here. It's paid. Should I keep it? Because I don't find a good use case of this one. OTP is still here. Order status is still here. Order status, I am planning to convert it to a normal string instead of enum. I'll see that. Refund amount, we still need this. And then one to many. Order table is also connected to company master in one-to-one fashion. I did not make this settings here. So yeah, I created one-to-one. That is there. So it is a one-to-one relationship that we need. ऑल गुड ब्रदर. बस आज ही रूम की शिफ्टिंग फिनिश की है. नाइस. व्हाट अबाउट यू? हम इधर ही है ब्रो. वी आर मेकिंग अ न्यू SaaS application. MVP1 is live. My friends are using that. There is some network issue in, I can see some YouTube warnings in my studio, but we'll see if you guys aren't facing many issues. Have a look at JCube Maven plugin as a mid priority to automate your Docker file image and tagging task. It is real time saver. Okay, JCube. I'm writing those on my own because I'm practicing those. So JCube, build and deploy Java application. Now you are here. I'll not even think about deployment and all. I can anytime ask for your help. Okay. शरारा अपना घर चोरे छोड़ के रहना वियर्ड लगता होगा ना bro. Now I'm doing this since more than a decade now. It doesn't even feel now. Going back to home feels weird. The new home. मैंने 12वीं के बाद ही I left my home. So my graduation is, I graduated from Mumbai. I lived in Mumbai for 5 years. After that I lived in Uttar Pradesh, Noida. Then I lived for some time in Delhi, Gurgaon, sometime in Nagpur. थोड़ी देर के लिए I was in Hyderabad also. Now I'm for a long time I'm in Pune now. Now complete India feels like a home to me, except my own home. ये इतना या इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. दोस्त है साथ में तो घर जैसा ही, या दोस्त होते तो अच्छा लगता है. You make new friends at every new place. Bro, I changed the name of my channel. Yeah, meet the elite nerd. Meet the elite nerd. Let me open this. शॉर्ट्स डाले हुए दिख रहे हैं मेरे को इस पे. You also streamed 3 months ago. Nice. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Brand name will come here, so we will remove this field and we will take this field as it is. Here we will simply remove this field. I don't care about the migration now. Okay, so field is here, brand name nullable true, and it should be unique. So unique true, nullable false, and length is this. It can't be null. Okay, and then the third field is this. Merchant key is something we really don't need, so I'll just comment it out. Okay, then what else we have? We need a logo URL. So logo URL is something we need. So private string logo URL. Okay, and then it will be again type column length 255. No, URL can be long, so it can be max 1024. Logo URL. Okay, what else do we need? Policies, we have stripped on that. So I can do one thing. Codex कहाँ मरा? Logo URL varchar 2048. It's a 2048, not 1024. 2048, and then is active. Yeah, does our base entity has is active? Because I don't want to extend base entity. Yeah, and let me see in the base entity what we have. Is active. There's no is active. So at the rate column and private boolean is deleted. No, because as per the new Android policies, no new India policies, we have to actually do hard delete, so there is no soft delete. So is active true by default. And what should we have here? Name is active, nullable false. Okay. So every column will have, every table will have that. And then let's see field name should field name is not good. It should be logo URL. Logo URL, this one. Yeah, okay, sorry. So it should be logo URL is right, and The database column name should be this logo URL, like this. It is better. It is good. It is correct. Thank you. By the way, congrats for 1.5k subscribers, subscribers. Thank you so much, yaar. Thank you so much. Yeah, we actually got 1500 subs. Let me show you that. Thanks to you guys. कहाँ है dashboard? See, 1000 subscribers, guys. Thank you for this. I didn't really thought of that, but yeah. East or West, Pune is the best. East or West, FC College is the best. Yeah. Not sure about the FC College, but yeah, I go to FC College. वो बैक साइड वाला ग्राउंड ना, वहाँ पे मैं क्रिकेट खेलने चुपके से जाता हूँ क्रिकेट खेलने कभी कभी. It's really good environment in the FC College. पुणे का weather is good. Field name is not. I changed that. Bro, this is what got some nerve. He could be a comedian. Yeah, that's what I'm planning to do, bro. It's improving day by day. If you don't know, I have made it in such a way. It's improving on the daily basis. And you know, there is some Hollywood star who also created something like this. The bots, the agents usually forget the complete context. It just keeps in mind, keeps in memory the core ideas of your memories. But my memory is it's like it stores everything, and it tries to improve on everything that we have stored, and the new replies are always better than the last one. Yes. मस्त अच्छा अच्छा रिप्लाई दे रहा है ना. नाउ इट हैज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. सही है. दोस्त साथ हो तो न्यू रूम भी थोड़ा लेस प्रोडक्शन इश्यू लगता है. पुणे सुप्रीमेसी noted FC college fans really do ship that slogan with production level confidence. Yes, Ferguson College has really created some legends, no? During the independence movement also many legends graduated from FC Ferguson College. Ambedkar, maybe Lokmanya Tilak. भैया करंट आईटी मार्केट में कौन से रोल की जॉब ज़्यादा सिक्योर, लाइक प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, एसडी? आई वुड रादर से सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, ब्रो. ब्रो प्राइवेट में तो देर इज लाइक, प्राइवेट में देर इज लाइक नो सेफ्टी गार्ड्स एंड ऑल. बट एज यू गो इन, वहाँ पे मतलब कुछ नहीं हो जाता है तुम्हारा ना. डोंट वरी अबाउट क्या सिक्योर है क्या नहीं. पहले जॉब ले लो अच्छा सा. हे मैन, व्हाट्सअप. हेलो मैकडोवन. हेलो मैन, व्हाट्सअप. Good that you are back, because everything is going good till now. Like good talks only. Delay है शायद ऑडियो में. हाँ यार, ये डिले पता नहीं क्यों आ रहा है. मैंने ट्राई किया इसको फिक्स करने का. Let me shut down this mic one time. Is there a delay still? Let's see. Just two tweaks. Logo URL. Yeah, this explicitly becomes these names. That is true, but I like to keep it for the understanding purpose. Whenever we debug the code, we should know. Unique true, nullable false, primary domain. No, don't make it as a primary domain. Now what about these relationships that we need to have? uh, let me create this table and then we'll see क्या relation रखे. one to many is the relation that I know, but what columns we need to have. So let me create one more table, which is domain, and let me have these things. Okay, domain. So the bin is injected, then these things I don't need. Okay, okay, and the column name is domain. Unique variants, UK domain, column names, name, just domains. Domains or domain? Domains or domain? Orders, though it should be domains. It should be domains. ठीक है. Company master orders. Okay. And then let me grab this ID as it is. Domain will have its own ID. And then next columns, what should I have? These columns, should I have a company ID to will need domain string domain name, which is correct. Then housekeeping columns we need, so let me extend the base entity. Okay, and then the relationship we need to actually build over here. So company ID actually what we need. So one to many, this is a many side, and then it should be column. Okay, and private string नहीं भाई, क्या है अपना वो कंपनी मास्टर का आईडी? इट्स अ लॉन्ग कंपनी आईडी. So this is the relation that we want to build, and there is क्या लिखा था, many to one fetch order item one to many. Yeah, this is many to many, no, not user. Orders atom. Actually this is wrong, this is many to one. Okay, join column company ID, not company ID, it's just ID. Okay, I'll mark this up later. Let me add this one to many side over here. So let me get this one to many side completely. So this is one to many, it will have this. That's why अगर मेरा पास MongoDB होता तो ये order नहीं आता. Mapped by मैं orders में लिख रहा हूँ क्या? Orders में नहीं लिखना था मेरे को ना, मेरे को company master में लिखना था. One to many, connect it on. Mapped by domains, cascade all true, orphan removal true, batch size 50, and it's not list of order items, it's list of domain. Okay, and it should be domains like this. Mapped by company. Oh, sorry, mapped by company. That is run back to text. डिले है शायद ऑडियो में, मैंने फिक्स किया है, लग रहा है ऑडियो वीडियो सिंक थोड़ा ऑफ है. इज इट फाइन नाउ गाइस? इज इट फाइन? एक बार बता दो मेरे को, इज इट फाइन और नॉट? आई विल फिक्स इट, नहीं तो मैं कुछ और जुगाड़ करता हूँ. लेट मी नो इज इट फाइन. And do like the stream, guys. I don't see 15 likes yet. Do like the stream. It's company master. Agile Guru said don't name it as company master. So it should be only company. Let's keep it as company. It's simple. Refactor. Okay. Company. C small. C section. Okay. This is fine. Bro, I think you should delete the camera module once and then add a new again. Okay. That's a good idea. And meanwhile, guys, you like the stream. MacBook, not screen. MacBook camera. This one. Let me remove this. Yeah, remove. Hopefully it should be better यार now. अब कुछ तो अभी भी डिले आ रहा है तुम लोगों को. Do you guys still have the delay? नहीं होगा. Okay, this is better now. ये back पे order to order atom क्या किया था हमने? One to many किया है. What is your name? You are asking to me. My name is Rohit. Or you asking to somebody else? Batch size 15 की मेरे को ज़रूरत है क्या? This is many to one side. So domain is many to one. Not like this. Fetch delay. Name, company ID, foreign key. Foreign key company. It should be company. What should be this? So let me give this to the big daddy. Where is big daddy? Here it is, the big daddy. बहुत सर दर्द कर रहा है आज. डोमेन नेम यूनिक नहीं है क्या? Domain name, it should be unique. True. This is correct. Domain name can be, let it be a big thing. Then what all are the mistakes? Yeah, for foreign key name should be this domains company. It should have both the names, the one side and many side, and then company, which is correct. Company master, I'll not change to company master. Let it be company. Agile Guru, it's saying I should have company master, and I also still feel I should have a company master. What's your take here? Hell yeah. It fixed, na? Myth, thanks to you, bro. You guys are really smart. Okay. Now I need one more entity, which is this third entity, company emails. So I should have this new Java class. It should be named company. housekeeping columns are there. Import. Then how do you say कि issue is not fixed without verifying that? Yeah, make it, bro. No huge token. Failed to solve bin package skip test, did not completely successfully exit code. Careful, Rohit already has a Docker and caffeine. Yeah, finish the tokens. No worries, bro. मैं भी अपने कंपनी का ही फ्री यूज कर रहा हूँ. बिल्ड सक्सेस. भाई इतनी देर कनेक्टेड नहीं था माइक, तो तुम्हें कैसे पता चला इशू फिक्स नहीं हुआ मीत? You guys can hear me, right? क्या हुआ भाई ये सब ना? अभी आवाज आ रही है? Now it should be perfect. Let me see on my phone. तू मेरे सामने, मैं तेरे सामने, तुझको देख. सही तो आ रहा है अभी आवाज यार? सही है, आवाज सही है. Rerun Maven using Xswitch to enable full debug logging. Dependency go. Failed to solve process bin slash sh. What happened? Docker ps. It up and running. Okay, maybe the database is Docker compose down. Okay, remove everything. You are really testing. I knew these people will do this kind of thing. Try to break it, bro. Docker compose up hyphen d build only backend build this time. We'll see. Let it build. There is some issue failed to solve. Package dscripts did not complete successfully. Uh, build failure. XML dependency. Maven dependency go offline cached. Okay. So mv mvn install. Okay, there is some problem. Fail to execute Apache plugin compiler. Occurs of compilation failure. Uh, get merchant key. Okay, I understood. I have removed the things, but I did not remove the methods. Uh, this column should be removed. Get merchant key has been referred somewhere. Get merchant key. So in this one, service merchant key is literally an empty column. There is nothing in the merchant key. Is there? Oh no. There is something. I should not do this. Okay, let me uncomment this. And now let me rerun this. Mvn clean install. Your chatbot, are you dead or what? Tell me what plan does. Not that just selectively compiled. I don't know Rohit exact plan unless it says on stream. So what kind of messages do you need to be triggered? Like, is there any keyword or something for having a casual convo with you? Try, bro. No issues. Something failed. Get brand name. Now get brand name should be referred from the company table now instead of this. And merchant key also should be why there is like merchant key and these two tables needed. Merchant key and brand name is the same. Black denim. What's the difference between merchant key and the brand name? What's the difference between brand name and merchant key? Guys, kindly like the stream. We need 15 likes. Try weird edge cases. If I fold, we found a bug. Do we really need merchant key now? Long term, no, we don't need merchant key on orders once company ID exists, but I'm happy to keep it temporarily unless you're ready to change. I'll remove, I'll just remove it. Okay, there are some issues I understood, so we will clearly remove this was a correct call. And then company name, brand name is referred from here because it's not here, so I have to just look for get brand name. Where is this brand name? So this brand name should come from order dot get company, order dot get order items, get refund, get user. Why it's not been shown here? Nisa. I didn't add this one to many here. One to many, and this is mapped by order, cascade all, orphan removal true, and then it is column private list of company email नहीं रहे, company बस company, and then companies is equal to new array list. Okay, this is it. And now where there is get brand name, I can have but then there will be one to many. This one to many relationship is wrong. No, it's many to one. Is this bot talking? Yes. Appreciate it. Latent space tempting, but live chat has better bugs, worse latency. I'm so Yo, chat friend, come to my house someday. We would have some fun if you know what time it is. I'm strictly cloud hosted. Meet house visits are outside the deployment target. Keep the fun in the chat before Rohit adds boundaries modding. No, it's many to one. No, it can't be many to one, no sir. Both your age and humor is of a third. कैसे तड़पाए जो है अनकहीं. Oh, it's a 1-to-1. It's a fucking 1-to-1. How come I missed this? कहे धड़कने मुझसे प्यार. It's 1-to-1. Agile Guru, it can't be many to one, no? Or one to many. It should be 1-to-1 because one master company should be associated with the order item. One same order can't be from two different companies. It cannot. एक second, I'm missing out on something. This order item, order queries, domain. Let me close all this. Company email, this, and then I should open this company and order. So this will come here. Yeah, order is like this is one to one. Okay, these are all things cascade all. Do we have one to one other at other place? Column list of companies. No, it will be company. Company is equal to हुआ यकीन. Let me give this fix this one to one relation here. Many orders belong to one company. No. It's a company master. That's what I'm saying. Hey, somebody took the like back. Don't do this fucking thing. Bro, there is someone in your chat named Rohit Munde who's spamming continuously. Bro, it's me. It's my name, bro. It's a chat brain application that's been replying to you. कहाँ गया वो application? Here is this application chat brain. It's replying on behalf of me based on all the data that it collected on you guys. See, this is how it's replying. It's querying in the database and then it's using the chat GPT API, and then I have added one skills joke engineering skill. It try to make the reply as funny as possible, and that's how it replies. It's not spamming, it's me. Many orders belong to one company. No, companies is a master that I'm trying to maintain. See. There is a confusion here. Okay, यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहा, मैं इसमें दिखाता हूँ. See, these companies, for example, Socks Carving is a company, and I can order from this. I have ordered from this, so you can also order from this particular company. So for this company, I have to save the metadata in my master. So that master will have the unique company names. It cannot have sock carving multiple times. So this order will be particular order has been ordered from this sock carving company. So it will have strict one-to-one relationship. So, okay, so there are not many orders. Many orders belong to one company. Company row will have the company ID. So particular row will have the company ID. I understood what you are trying to say. No, it's many to one. Mapped by is wrong. Yeah. Should be company ID. Bro, can you tell me about him a bit? You have to ask. Let me think on the thread. It should be that code I'll fix. It should be many to one, not one to one, because one company can have many orders. Yeah, I'm thinking out on your thought. You can order from Socket Rocks and I can order from Socks Craving. Yeah. So many order from Sock Craving, many orders. Yeah. Now I get it. Many orders to one. Okay. The first thought was wrong then. This is wrong actually. This is many to one. Many orders, one company. Thank you. Hey, somebody took the like back, yaar. Guys, kindly don't do this. Don't do this stuff. Uh, how many years of experience do you have in Spring Boot? No, I don't have any. I have 0 years of experience in Spring Boot. I just started learning Java on the stream only. My complete experience is in Java developer. I worked on. Was wrong. There's some issue going on in the setup. No voice, only music. Yeah, now you can hear me. I have to keep an eye on this. So it is company many to one. Many to one it is. Orders to company. Code or many to one, which is correct. Company master. The unique constant is it will become this. This is fine. Okay, this is fine. I'm asking for the wrong thing. Company will not have anything. Okay. And wherever there is like get brand name, here it will be now get company dot get brand name. It was first merchant key, no? So I did not add merchant key. Merchant key should be on the domain side. So did I remove merchant key from here? Now this merchant key will come to domain. Okay, it is a bit confusing. So it will come here, uncomment this, uncomment this, and it will have a relationship between company to domain. So company to domain will be 1-to-1, no? Company to domain will be 1-to-1. Be polite, bro. If you don't like the stream, then go and watch other stream. Let other enjoy. What he typed? Yeah, he's like that, bro. Just don't worry. He doesn't mean that stuff, but he's like that. Don't worry. What about merchant key where there is some confusion? Domain's name. Yeah, we will simply remove this merchant key for now. Yeah. And then get merchant key. This should be now get company, get brand name. This is what we will use. Get company, get brand name. Get company, set brand name. Okay, this is fine. And then there is some get brand name, so it should be get company brand name. Okay, now it should compose. Ambient clean install. Why are you creating separate table for one-on-one mapping? Why not add them as a column? I have added them as a column, not a different table. I just added 1-to-1. No, I have removed that 1-to-1 mapping. That I removed. 1-to-1 mapping I removed. Where is the issue now? There are still get brand name instances. this dot get company, get brand name. Okay. This brand merchant key something that I'll fix it. I'll add it later. Get merchant key. Okay, now where are errors now? Company to domain, that is okay. Company to domain. There is there is nothing. One to many is there. Is there any mistake? Really pissed off. This guy has been doing like this since the day I met him. क्या हुआ? I was enjoying the stream, but then this guy comes up with a mood as his salary didn't come or his girlfriend broke up. Dude, you are the one who should grow up. Fucking spoil the mood. Yeah, he's like that, bro. I don't know what's the issue with this McDonald guy. He comes up and he does all those things. I don't know what he thinks about himself. He has solved some 900,000 questions on lead code and he's like, I'm the god now. Don't worry about that guy, bro. On internet, we will meet different kind of people. Company to domain, I don't have a one-to-one relationship as is right now. It's still there, get brand name. How's your college going, bro? Meet? You just joined the 11th, no? How's life there? Do you make some good new friends or not? Why have one company with multiple domains? Yeah, there will be multiple domains for a company. Like for Amazon, for example, there will be Amazon.in, .uk, .com and all like that. Like that. Where are all the errors now? We have fixed this. We have fixed this. We have fixed this. We have fixed this. Meet, bro, how's your college right now? Don't worry about that guy. Set merchant key. जाएगी तू जहाँ आऊंगा मैं वहाँ मेरी बनेगी तू. Okay, last some two errors are left. Set merchant key should be gone, and there is something. This should also be gone. It's the test. Okay. Yeah, it worked. The test cases are failing, that I am not clear that I don't care about. Docker compose now -d -fl build in the backend. Okay, it's pulling image again. What are you saying? We have one company with we have one company with multiple domains. Yes, one company with multiple domains. Yeah. Uh, I'll verify all the code once. एक बार ना. I'm on the same school, so the new friends are the new students, which are a few in my class, and yeah, it is not that hard till now. I mean, it is just a bubble that the PCM is so hard. Yeah, you need to practice, bro, in the PCM. Bro, I'm in the school. Met the new friends who were the new students. Yeah, understood. What was your tech stack when you were working daily? Then if you said I have already answered to that question. Then if you set the order with the company, how will I know which domain I ordered from? Bro, now I guess now I'm confused. It's running. I cannot hit it from Postman. Uh, it started. I cannot hit it from Postman because it's a Google token and it uses the auth code as well, which is unique. Can be generated through the mobile only. Then if you set the order with the company, I set the order with company. How will I know which domain I ordered from? Yeah, that is what in the beginning we have to map that while adding a new order. I have to get the domain and add that particular domain, particular ID row while adding the order. When I returned from the hackathon, my school didn't give a fuck. I mean, my teacher didn't even know what a hackathon is. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, अरे उनका education कब हो चुका है bro? वो तो सोचो ना तुम. You are very young now. The age that you are in, and you know about hackathon, most of the people don't even knew about that stuff. The world is changing fast, not the teachers. Will you review my project? Yes, sure, but not today, bro. Now I'm tired. It's 12:30, past 12. Even the principal, he scolded me a lot, created a scene, talked to my mom about the attendance as I took 9 days leave. What the fuck, including the travel and hackathon and a few extra dates. Yeah, people will not understand that. Okay, then tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow we will do that. Uh, I need to deploy. I need to test this part, so I'll need to have the front end, but the front end will not work because I have changed the APIs too much. I have changed the structure. So company to domain is 1-to-1. Company to domain is 1-to-1. That is true. Did it change the table? It will not. Let me check. Yeah, it added. See, let's कहाँ गया वो? Tools, scripting, help, query, database, reverse engineer. Order sub, continue. So let's see here. Which tables we have created. Connected account should go in one corner. Order email source also can go here. Order items. User should go here. Okay. Company should come up here. orders will come here. Okay, this order items is a part of this. This table should come here, emails, and then there is this domains. So see, these are one to one. This is one to one. Company to domains is one to one. This is absolutely correct. You can see this, right? So company to company emails is one to many. One company will have many emails. Company to domain is like one to many. One company will have multiple domains. Yeah, true. I understood your question. So company to domain in one to one. Uh, there's some glitch happening today. Complete setup was working correct before the stream. Right now there is some glitch. Some glitch is there. Fuck hell, mic went off again. Yeah, I know. Bro, what's this pin message? It's a Discord group, bro. Voice is back, yes. So this is the what I'll do. I'll paste it on the Discord server. Okay, so that uh, anybody can point out the mistake and we can discuss over there. Copy image. हेलो पर हाउ आर यू मैन. स्ट्रीम कब तक चलेगा? स्ट्रीम अभी एंड ही करने वाला हूँ ब्रो मैं. गाइस काइंडली डू लाइक द स्ट्रीम. वी हैव मेड सम प्रोग्रेस. वॉइस इज बैक. यस, वॉइस इज बैक. डीएसए कैसा चल रहा है? इज आस्किंग यू. टू स्लीपी बट नीड टू स्टडी. या I am also about to end the stream because I have given myself a hard stop of 12. By 12 I should end. It's almost 12:30. So meanwhile, the ones who haven't liked the stream, kindly do like the stream. And Agile Guru, what you were saying, yeah, one to many is there. I understood the problem. I kind of understood what will happen when I try to save a new order. Which domain it will pick? That's your question, and that's a valid question that I can see. Too sleepy but need to study. क्या करूँ? Order एक Coca-Cola can पी लो bro. Coke has too much of caffeine. I used to do that before exams. One Coke can has 2% of caffeine and it used to keep me awake for a night. At least 3-4. खाना खाना है बस उसके लिए सोच रहा हूँ. रोकना पड़ेगा. नहीं आई एम अबाउट टू एंड द स्ट्रीम. डोंट वरी गाइस काइंडली डू लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? मस्ती क्यों कर रहे हो आज ऐसे मेरे साथ? Solution is Coke can, bro. I will go through this design one more time because I don't want to create a messy structure before going on. Shall we do a 10 minutes voice chat on Discord after YT video? Yeah, sure we can, but now I'm too tired, sir, really. Because I was working till 9 p.m. Office का काम चल रहा था. Now I'm too tired to even think about what I have done wrong here. That is a mistake. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to start early and tomorrow we will connect on the call, on the stream directly, and then we can have some chat. Okay, will that work, sir? Bro, I made an... Okay, sir, we'll back after ending the stream. yeah. Arey, it's okay, Atharva, it's okay. Take your time. And yeah, guys, do like the stream. Atharva, kindly do like the stream. Bro, I made an ecom with a rag, semantic search, etc. I hope you review it tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow we will review it. Okay, let's do it tomorrow. Yeah, it was too much for today. Is there some glitch or what? I can't see the likes count now. सर कुछ और सॉल्यूशन जिससे पैसे ना लगे. 40 रुपए 20 रुपए लगेंगे भाई उसमें. 20 रुपए. नाउ माई टाइम टू डू स्टडी. यस, हार्ट्स ऑफ टू यू. अभी भी आप पढ़ते हो तो यार. Why I'm not seeing the 15th like? Because I have to go to sleep. If I can see the 15th like, I can easily go to sleep now. मंथली बजट खत्म हो गया है सर मेरा. मैं वेबिनार गया था कॉलेज से बहुत दूर, पेटीएम ऑफिस में. कॉलेज में ऐसे ही होता है ब्रो. चिल, आई लाइक. ओके, bro, when are you having the meetup? On the Saturday. I'm planning that on the Saturday. Saturday mein everybody joins the stream, so on Saturday we will have some meetup. I am planning to play this game. I was playing this game. Do you guys know? Oh my shit, क्या था उसका? Oh my git app. I was searching some good game to play. Something like this. So 4.5 hours difference. Yeah, meetup, online meetup, bro. Really, where? Here, I'll give you a Google Meet link. Have you ever experienced it? I guess. Are you asking him? Among Us खेलते हैं स्ट्रीम पर. या मेरे को Among Us मैंने कभी खेला नहीं है. I really want to play Among Us one day. लेकिन everybody should be available. At least we need 6-7 players in that one. So if you guys are up with for some game after the work, we will play for half an hour. I mean in real life. Real life के लिए तो time है bro अभी बहुत ज़्यादा. For people who are not tired, let's have some fun on his Discord server in launch channel. Yeah, you guys can explore Discord server. मेरे को Discord का देखते हैं और Discord पे और क्या कर सकते हैं. This is kind of a game. I really didn't find it that funny, मतलब that fun, but so it's something. What is this RM star web? My laptop is lagging today. सैटरडे को खेल सकते हैं. यस, सैटरडे को अपन थोड़ा लंबा स्ट्रीम करेंगे. See, the AI is better giving better answers, bro. Add to PC. I was trying this game, bro. This is some kind of a game somebody created out of Git. But it's not that fun. Red Bull. Red Bull is fun. Red Bull पियोगे तो भाई एग्जाम तक जगे रहोगे. चलो, we should end it on this note now. Tomorrow we'll be back. I'll try to fix these mistakes beforehand, and tomorrow we will finish the APIs part, and then maybe try to use those APIs in the front end side in the mobile application, and then we'll see. Maybe 2 days time it will take, and then we will deploy a newer version. This time I have to really deploy this application on the Play Store at least. So we'll get the Play Store review. I know there will be some policy breaking and all those issues. So we have to maintain the policies and all क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सब कुछ सही करके देखते हैं. There are too many things, but for this week orders up is the goal, and I want to make it something out of this. So till then, take care, bye bye. And those who haven't liked the stream, please like the stream, and I'll share the Google Meet tomorrow. So Ajal Guru, we will connect tomorrow on this part, and we will sort out something. I hope you will join tomorrow. So ठीक है, thank you all, bye bye, and good night. Notice today or tomorrow या टुडे यार. हाँ, बहुत ही ओवर स्मार्ट बनता है भाई तू. आर यू ग्रोइंग? मैंने कट किए है भाई, मेरे बहुत ज्यादा बाल बढ़ाए थे ना मैंने. It's giving good t-shirt though, thank you. I'm in the launch. How to join the launch? Microphone access denied. You are the exact clone of Tarun Speaks. Oh, you know, hello. At the last moment, somebody joined. Voice meet is there. How to use this fucking stupid thing? I can see you in the launch. You're not audible though. You're not audible though. Lol, yeah. See you there. Yeah, I'm about to leave. I'm about to drop. मेरे को कल ऑफिस जाना है. How this thing work? Meet is there. Meet is on mute. I'm not able to hear you. Okay, chalo, I'm dropping. I'll explore this feature later. Chalo, bye bye. See you guys later. See you guys tomorrow. Those who haven't liked the stream, do like the stream. मेरे को आज बहुत बोलना पड़ रहा है ये like करने के लिए, लेकिन कोई नहीं, कल मिलते हैं ज़रूर. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Do solve lead code. Keep solving lead code. Keep doing projects. Keep learning new things, and keep letting me know what you have learned. So take care. Bye bye and good night.